This is us. This is Marika in a hat. We decided to go to the Regicide Trail, one of our favorite hikes around, after a foot of snow dropped. Some people have been skiing over there. Marika said this was a bunny. Hop,
Maybe.
hop, hop, hop. And another one over there.
It also might be a deer.
Also might be what?
A deer.
A deer?
I think it's probably
Is that where they crossed?
based on the size of the step spaces.
Okay. Or a really big bunny.
A really big bunny.
Okay.
Itty bitty feet.
So yeah, this is what a foot of snow in New Haven looks like on the Regicide Trail. We're going to continue onward.